Why is there so much fear surrounding the European banking industry right now?
Well, the outlook isn't improving. The outlook is worsening as the global economic slowdown appears to be getting closer, and what that leads to is a very tough environment for the bread and butter of margins on lending. Quantitative easing has basically squeezed those margins, and banks are all going after the same types of businesses to offset those. They're all going after wealth management businesses, and as the global markets fall, lots of investors are moving on to cash. That means that there's less money to be made in wealth management, and it's basically a self-fulfilling prophecy to some extent that profit outlook keeps worsening for an industry that's been battling to revive profit, pretty much since the financial crisis.
Elisa, has Deutsche Bank dispelled concerns it's able to pay off its riskiest debts? If you look at the share price today, at one stage you'd probably say yes, but it's trading lower by 4%, so you'd have to say no?
Yes, good question. I think, the company CEO, the CFO, the company itself has put out a statement. They're all, pointing in the same direction that, the situation is in hand. There is enough of a buffer there to repay, to pay out the coupons. What the market is, the market is concerned about is that as these capital buffers are relatively thin, particularly on the equity side, that the company may have to tap investors for more funds, and hence you're seeing the stock market decline. So while the coupon payments may be under control, there's concern that the equity buffers are still rather thin, and the profit outlook, as I was saying earlier, really eating into those buffers.
And Elisa, really quickly, I mean, it seems like you're seeing a lot of belt tightening now. UBS is said to be, freezing their investment banker salaries. What else might we see out of these banks?
Well, many have, hiring freezes if they're not cutting jobs outright. They have pay freezes. Bonuses have been down a lot, and right across the board, you're looking at banks looking introspectively and figuring out again where are they good at, where can they be boosting profit, which businesses should they be staying in, and reviewing that constantly as the markets evolve.